Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So today I am filming from this cute little Airbnb that's in Lombok, which is a small island in Indonesia. It is so beautiful, Moroccan style, so inspiring. But today's video is all about how to set up an Airbnb. So my first Airbnb is my place in Melbourne, Australia, and a few months ago I went back to check up on it. I haven't been there for some time since moving to Bali. Wanted to see how it was doing, to see what needed touching up and all of that. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how I set that up from start to end. All right, let's get started. If you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. Okay, so I'm gonna start by giving you a tour of the whole house because I don't think I've actually done that on this channel since it's all been finished. And so this just gives you an idea of the space that we're working with. So this is the lounge area. There's actually 2 living spaces in this room, and this is a really beautiful room. It has a global feel all throughout the house. You'll feel like a sense of travel and culture, things that are really important to me. Every room has a different kind of feel, but what does run through all the rooms is that sense of travel, adventure, the energy that's in all of the spaces, and culture, which is very, very important. Some people think that it's, safe to decorate in white and really neutral colours to appeal to the broader demographic, and I totally disagree. Feel like an Airbnb should be an experience, it should tell a story, it should captivate, so don't be afraid to put personality into the space. I am going to do more videos in the future about decorating and designing for Airbnb, but yeah, I just wanted to say, be bold, make a statement, and don't be afraid to add colour and personality. The second room at the back of the house, the second living space, has a totally different feel. This has a little bit more of a glam feel. You'll see lots of metallics in this space, and we used it when we lived here as like a chilling space. So it was a bar, a music room, there's a piano there, there's records on the wall, and it was more of like a chilling space. There's no TV in this room, so you come in here, take some time out, listen to some music, chill, and we kept that concept because I think it's great to have a different space for living for large groups. The house has 3 bedrooms. This is the primary bedroom, and again, you can feel that sense of culture, adventure, travel, I feel, within this room especially. This has bits of Bali, so you'll see some Balinese decor in there. It has quite a calm feel, and it's a total contrast to the second bedroom. This is quite a moodier room, and it has, I'd say, a vintage feel with some of the elements that are in there, the lighting, that shades that you see there, the mirror, and even the furniture, which has been restored to keep that old glam style. The third bedroom is very earthy with this timber panel accent wall. It has a beautiful view out to the back garden, which is a delight to wake up to, and it just has a beautiful, organic, natural feel. There are 2 bathrooms in the property, so this ensuite is attached to the primary bedroom, and it has such a beautiful feel. I love the tiles that we used in here, and that's accentuated with brass faucets, and we have a brass shower and this beautiful wood-looking herringbone floor. The main bathroom, although it is quite small, we really worked hard to make the most of this floor plan. So we've been able to house a bath and a wet area, and freestanding faucets, which I really liked, and a beautiful sink. We've gone with these terrazzo looking tiles as well as the wooden tiles on this back wall, and it really creates such a beautiful, tranquil space. We have quite a large open plan kitchen dining space, and it's a really beautiful space because it leads to the side of the garden. There's a kitchen island, and we actually did add an extension because the island was strangely quite small for the space that there is. But for guests staying here, they have everything that they need to be able to cook, to be able to feel right at home. We also have a full laundry with a sink, washing machine and a dryer, so guests can use those amenities anytime they feel during their stay. The amazing features of this property is the outdoor space, and we have different zones that guests can sit and enjoy. So this is the side deck, which leads from the kitchen area. It's such a beautiful space to sit out and enjoy, especially in the morning. Just really a relaxing space. So this is one of a few different areas or zones that we have in the outdoors. I think having different spaces for people to enjoy, especially when it's a large property and there's a few people, not everyone always wants to be together. So having different spaces is really beneficial. On the back, we have the patio area, we have a barbecue there, a seated, comfortable seating area, and this dining space here, which can accommodate around 8 people. It's so nice to be out here on beautiful days, and it really does get used a lot. The garden really does feel like an extension of the house, and it wasn't intentionally done like this because we lived here, but in retrospect it really adds to that feeling of travel and vacation. So it's such a bonus to have as part of our short-term rental strategy. Okay, so you've done all the work, you've made your space into a beautiful oasis, and now it's time to get it ready to put on a platform, whether that's Airbnb, Booking.com, Expedia, whatever. It all starts with great photography. I just think it's worth the investment. It's literally the first thing that people see. It's how people are going to connect to your home, and it needs to be done right. There's so many things and elements that go into great photography, and I'm going to give you a few tips. If you are going to do it yourself, I know this seems obvious, but the first thing is to declutter. Keeping everything clean and minimal and in its place is going to make everything look so much better. Think about lighting. Open up the curtains, let that sun come in. What time of the day is best to capture your space? Is it first thing in the morning? Is it getting the afternoon sun? That is so important to capture your space in the best possible light. Think about getting a mixture of shots, so wide shots that capture the whole room, but also those small little details. Make sure you capture all the details, things like books, artwork. You really want to provide the opportunity for people to experience what it's going to be like being and staying in your space. Make sure you capture all the details, all the essential items in your kitchen and your bathroom. People want to see everything. Lastly, don't forget to make sure your pictures tell a story of an inviting, welcoming space. That is really the key to get people looking, to stop scrolling, and to getting them booking your place. Describing your amenities within your description is so important. It's a crucial part of marketing your property. It lets people have that information so they can make informed choices about whether they want to stay with you or not, and it really sets an expectation of what they can expect when they come to your place. One amenity that is often overlooked but is so important is bedding. Bedding, sheets, Manchester, whatever you want to call it. It's such an important feature of an Airbnb property. And it's something I overlooked when I first started too. Like, I felt like, why is it so important to have quality bedding? But it is, not only in terms of the client experience, but also in terms of durability. It's something that you're going to use over and over again. It's something that gets washed all the time. So really having good bedding is so important. Some of the most important amenities that short-term rental guests look for include Wi-Fi, so good reliable Wi-Fi, air conditioning and heating, a fully equipped kitchen, clean and functional bathrooms, comfortable beddings, smart TV, washer and dryer, safety features such as smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, parking, outdoor space, pet-friendly accommodation, if that's your thing, keyless entries, a work-friendly features, child-friendly amenities, local recommendations, and fitness facilities. The written description on a booking platform is crucial for a number of reasons, as it's a virtual introduction to your property and it plays a significant role in attracting potential guests. It sets the expectation, so the written description provides essential information about your property, including features, amenities, and key qualities, and it's that first impression. Cleaning is so important in the short-term rental business game. Not only do you want to offer a beautiful, clean, hygienic space for your guests and clients, but you want to have that first impression a positive one. You want to make sure you're getting that repeat business, that people are referring, that they're talking about your space, that you're reducing the potential for complaints, and that's only going to happen if you're offering a beautiful, clean space. So think about how you're going to manage the cleaning in your property. Are you going to do it yourself, or are you going to get cleaners to do that for you? If you do, which we do have cleaners in this place, what I have found helpful is to provide a comprehensive guide for them to follow. So there's nothing for them to misunderstand or misinterpret. Everything is written down. And so what that looks like is we have a daily schedule for cleaning things that need to be done every day or after every checkout, but then we have a monthly or a quarterly schedule which goes deeper into things that don't need cleaning as frequently. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I am going to drop a video coming up soon about how to really elevate that guest experience for your short-term rental, as well as lots more projects that are coming up. Alright, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, catch you soon.